So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I want to share with you another portion of my financial journey and document the process of how I made a little over $7,158 on TikTok last month in April. Now in this video I want to share with you guys exactly the ways that you can make money on TikTok, how you can get started making money yourself on TikTok, and more importantly break down how you can get followers, how to get paid, the rates that you can charge, and more importantly break down the whole game of TikTok and getting paid. Because truthfully, I was that young little boy that wanted to make money online. I was always watching other people making money online, and I told myself, I'm going to figure this damn thing out. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to start posting on TikTok. I'm going to start creating a YouTube channel, and I'm just going to go after it and find a way they can do it. If other people are doing it like me, then you can do it as well. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step method that I use, some of the tips and tricks, and the things that I wish I knew when I first got started making money online. Now, if you would have told me 2.5, 3 years ago that I could be making $5,000 to $10,000 per month on a platform called TikTok, my friends would have sure enough thought that I was crazy. My dad and my parents would have thought I was crazy, and even myself. I'm like, there's no way. But in this video, I want to break down how I'm consistently making anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per month directly on TikTok, and I want to share with you guys the true strategy on how I figured out to hopefully provide value for yourself. More importantly, I have nothing to sell you. I just want to help you guys make more money. So the first thing I want to share with you is this is actually crazy. Last month, I generated $7,158 directly on TikTok. Now, what I want to share with you is the actual proof of this video, because if I'm BSing you, then there's no point of you even watching more of this video. So the first thing I want to show you is right here, the transactions that were directly into my TikTok creator fund. Now, when you create campaigns on TikToks, which I'll share with you in a second, that you can actually get paid directly on this platform. So as you can see, the first campaign paid me $1,000. The second campaign paid me another $1,000. And then the third campaign that I did in the month of April paid me $3,000. Now, this was one video, two videos, and another two videos for another company. So I did 4 videos and made right there $5,000. Now I want to scroll over to the right here. I also got PayPal'd $1,447. This was actually a $1,500 transaction that got withered down because the PayPal has to take their cut. And then lastly, I want to show you also how I generated $58 directly on the TikTok marketplace fund. Not a huge portion of income, but I'll break it down as well, as you can see here. And lastly, I did a campaign that has not got paid out yet, but has been completed, and the order has been confirmed. I'm getting paid in the next 2 weeks. That was for $600 as well. So all in all, I was able to generate a little over $7,158 on TikTok. Now, absolutely insane. Now, as you can see here, I have almost closing in on 400,000 followers on TikTok. Now, if you are trying to make money on TikTok, you might discourage, Peter, I don't have 400,000 followers, but all you need is honestly 10,000 followers to get started. Either you can, what I'll break down exactly how you can make money on TikTok, but if you do not have any followers on TikTok and want to start making money on TikTok, is the easiest platform to grow, to make money, to build a following, because organic reach is absolutely insane. And here's what you do. You literally just find things that you are unique about, things that you like talking about, and find your passion, and find videos that are going viral on TikTok and have your own spinoff. If you post 2 to 5 times every day on TikTok, at the end of this month, you can have your first 10,000 followers on TikTok. It's very simple. Post, be creative, create different ideas that you can spread and bring value to the world, whatever way that you want to do it, and you can start getting your first followers. So once you have your first 10,000 followers, I'm telling you, this is not discouraging. Here are different ways that you can make money on TikTok. Now, the first way that I want to share with you on how I generated the income that I just showed you on this platform, and I want to share with you is the number one way to make the most amount of money, I believe, on YouTube as well, and even on TikTok, is by brand deals. Now, what I want to share with you, that there's a huge opportunity moving past 2022 and in the future. I want to share with you a new opportunity in a second, but brand deals. So basically, the three brands that I work with were all tech brands. One company I actually am investing in my own personal income. I'm a shareholder of this company that I truly love. And more importantly, every day I'm getting hit up by 3 to 5 to 10 different companies asking me to do promotional videos. So once you start building a following, once you start getting yourself out there and establishing a niche or a personal brand for yourself, and you start capturing this audience, you have a monetary asset to your name that brands will try to utilize to use your information and content to get paid, and they'll pay you to spread their awareness. For example, becoming an influencer is exactly that. But what I want to share with you is not only how much should you charge, but also what are you doing? Because all the videos that I got paid on, I didn't have to post any content to my personal page, which is absolutely amazing because I didn't have to dilute my brand. Yes, I was creating content that other companies are going to go out there and promote. It's called a Spark ad, basically on TikTok, is that I let them have access to this video. They can post it on Instagram, they can post it on YouTube, they can post it on TikTok, they can do whatever they want with this content, and they're going to run ads with it. I don't have to run the ads. I basically just create the content, edit the content, send it to them for approval, and then they approve it on their end. And then once it's all good, it's been approved by TikTok and the brand that you're working with, they will pay you out based on what your agreements are. So how much should you charge per video? As you can see, companies were paying me $1,000 per video, and they were also paying me $1,500 per video. But if you have 100,000 followers, you can easily make $1,000 per video. Now, I think that I'm undercutting myself, but I truly just wanted an extra bit of money in my life. So here's the simplest metric that I like to use. What is your time worth, basically? What are you worth spending? Because it does take 1 to 2 hours to create these videos, to edit these videos, and it takes a long process to go ahead and get these submitted. But if you have 100,000 to 300,000 followers, you can easily make $1,000 to $3,000 per video. The most that I've ever made off of one video was $3,500. And people are willing to pay that, and brands are willing to pay that if you have the right audience, if you have, I guess, a nice following, and more importantly, brands have a lot of more money to spend than you think. So go take a shot, but if you have, let's say 10,000 followers, you can easily make $500 to $1,000 per video. If you have 50,000 followers, you can easily make $500 to $1,500 per video. So it depends on your target market. Brands might ask you what your target audience looks like, but you can charge anywhere for $1,000 to $5,000 per video if you are a young, growing TikTok channel. So what I want to share with you is that is the most important way and the largest way that I made money directly on my TikTok, and it all came down to just building a brand, focus on posting as much content as I can, building a real audience, and then having brands reach out to me. The one little trick that I want to share with you is leave your email at the top of your TikTok account. So when you post content, when you post videos, that brands can come to you, they can click on your page, and then they can find you directly on your email that's listed at the top of your TikTok. So find ways and build this funnel directly on TikTok, and brands will reach out to you. Now, the second way that I want to share with you on how you can make money is through the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, I made a little over $58, which I shared with you earlier in this video. I don't think it's the most powerful opportunity for you to make a lot of money. You make like 25 cents or something crazy for every 1,000 views. There's not much opportunity behind there, but it's a little cherry on the top that can help you make an extra bit of money. But if you're just going out there consistently posting content and you can go get rewarded based on the views, it's another little incentive to start posting more on TikTok. Now, the third thing that I'm going to share with you is that this is an open application process. Now, why I'm sharing with you with this video is because if you have 0 followers right now, if you're trying to start making money on social media, this is a huge opportunity. Now, as you can see here, let me pull up the picture, is that brands are now posting on TikTok trying to identify and look for creators. So if you find yourself as a creator, you can literally go through a whole list of applications of brands that are looking for specific creators to post content for them. It's a whole supply and demand issue. Right now, there is not enough supply for the demand that brands are looking for. For example, if you're a creator, brands need you. And if you are trying to get into this space, they need your content. So what they're doing is they're basically putting an application out there saying that I will pay $500 for a video of this type. And it's directly on TikTok. So if you have this established following, this is a great way because you can literally sit there and DM brand after brand after brand on how you can bring value to them in a content video. And more importantly, connect with as many brands as you like to, basically cold emailing them directly on TikTok, and then you can go through the application process on how you can get paid. So basically, if you're a creator, you can sit at home, email brands, reach out to brands directly on TikTok, fill out applications, submit videos, get videos approved, and you can literally start a business out of your home if you are a content creator. I think this is absolutely insane, and moving into 2023, 2024, 2025, there is a huge opportunity with this growing market. I am seeing this right now. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, hit me up. I'm going to be giving you guys the no BS truth of how I'm doing it, how I'm trying to figure this all out from scratch. I'm just a young boy with a little bit of a dream. So if you like this video, hit the subscription button, smash that thumbs up button, and more importantly, leave a comment if this video brought value or what videos do you like to see. I am in it to build an audience with you. Let's grow this channel together. Let's become more successful. Let's try new things together. Let's grow and let's absolutely crush it in 2022. Love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you need anything, I'm always here to help. Take care and cheers. Peace.